Welcome to the CPC video on how to apply Resistain to protect sandstone. This video will demonstrate the 3 simple steps required. Step 1. Clean the surface. To begin, clean the sandstone using suitable cleaning products or a pressure cleaner. Remove any mould, algae, dirt or discoloration from the surface. This will give it a fresh look, which will be preserved for years by Resistain. Once the surface is clean, let it dry. Step 2. Apply Resistain. Apply Resistain as a flood coat. The surface should have a wet, mirror-like appearance. You may use any tools or techniques that suit your surface. In this case, we demonstrate brush and spray techniques. 2 coats is the minimum required amount of Resistain to apply. Extra coats will be beneficial. Step 3. Finishing touches. Wipe away any foam remaining on the surface before it dries. Any remaining liquid that is not absorbed 10 minutes after application should also be wiped away. Resistain's oil and water repellency develops once the surface dries. Full curing will be complete a week later. Resistain's protective effects will last a minimum of 15 years. Resistain is available for purchase online. Please see the description below for links and details.